first progression. F, E, A, 8, 7, 5. Just power chords. Sounds like they're using a synth to play this part. That's the first half, and then we go B, C, A. All together, it's F, E, A, B, C, A. That happens like 4 times, I think, at the beginning of the song. And then the second part is kind of abruptly goes into it. That's E power chord, F, G, A. The rhythm in the song is like a shuffle. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm playing like triplets on it. So it's like down, 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 up, down. So it's like. I'm muting the whole time, all these other strings I don't want to ring. I'm doing that like with the side of my hand and with my fret hands. Cool song. I gotta go. Bye.